Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. So guys, I want to share this video to let you understand or let you know that how this electric relay, which has 220 volts coil, operating coil, and it has 120 amperes, and how is it working, and you can use it for multiple tasks. Like if you want to use it like a switch, if you want to connect it with the submersible pump, with the very long, from a very long distance, so you can make a very thin wire like this, you can see, and this wire will control your motor to turn it on and off by using a bed switch or a minimum switch or bed button to turn it on and off. You do not have to use a very heavy wire ampere wise to control your submersible pump or any kind of load. So this relay is useful for multiple tasks. So if you want to use this relay to control a load from a long distance, then you have to use, this is a terminal of this coil, and another wire is here. You have to provide negative here or here, and provide the positive here, or whatever volts you want to use, negative here and positive here, and this coil will work, and electromagnetic force will be activated, and this coil will work with the provision of 220 volts from here. So you have to use a very thin wire to control from a very long distance. You do not have to use a very high amperage of wire. So if you want to use it for a high load, then as you can see, this is off position. I do not provide any kind of volt to this coil. That's why it is connected with this terminal. This is the off position terminal. So if you have to connect the load on this terminal, and this terminal is in middle. The load will be connected with this. You can use a thin wire for this coil to control your load from a long distance. So another project is that if you want to use this relay like a automatic changeover, then you have to connect. Okay, so you have to connect this wire, which is for the sake of making this video or this experiment, you have double phase volts. This is the load of your wire of house. This is the load, assume it like a house or a motor, heavy motor or anything. For the time being, we assume it like a house or factory load. Now it is connected with phase 1 here, and phase 2 is connected here. If single phase will be turned off, if the high power volts which is coming from the pole is turned off from here, this connection will be connected with this coil. So volts will be, if the volts are turned off due to any reason or load shedding, this coil will be turned off, and the load will be shifted to other phase. This is other phase. So this load will be connected to this, and the power will be carry on or shifted to this one. So this is the process of this relay. I hope you can understand. So guys, here we go. Now you can see on this meter the continuity is showing, and I hope you can see the wiring. This is the red rod of this meter is connected with this common terminal, and another wire is connected with this terminal in off position. When the, as I have told you, that if the relay is off, this terminal will work with the common wire or with the load. So let me turn it on, the coil of this relay, then you will see this continuity will be turned off, because this connection will be shifted to this one. This is the downward connection. So let me connect it, the coil, and you will see the meter, it will be disconnected. You can see. So guys, this is the function of this relay, and if someone do not know or want to know the connection of this relay, it will work like that. And similarly, if I open this connection and fix it with this terminal, and now you can see the coil is turned off. That's why this terminal is now connected with this one. You can see that's why the continuity is not showing. So if I will turn on the coil, it will be shifted to this one, the downward. It will be pushed downward, and the meter will show the continuity. Now you can see. So by this way, you can make many projects according to your use or requirement. So guys, now you can see this is the common wire, this is the common connection which is connected with this one, and if the volts will come back, or this coil is connected, so the magnetic field or magnetic force will be activated through this coil, so this common load connection will be shifted to this terminal. So let me show you how is it working. Now I am providing 220 volts to this coil, and you will see the movement of this common connection. So that's all from this video, and I hope you will like it. And if you have any sort of question, please ask me. I will try my level best to reply you as soon as possible. So bye bye for now.